The project we are making in our FIP is knocking generator for deaf. This project is really helpful for deaf people and hard to listen people who faces difficulties in their daily life in communicating with each other. Our project is based on an Arduino board which is sold on the back side of the PCB printed circuit board, and this is the on off switch when we connect it to the battery to turn on the circuit and turn off the circuit. As you can see, this is the 16x2 characters LCD which uses to display the message which is transferred from the Android smartphone via our application. This is the sound sensing module, and this is the variable resistor which uses to control the sensing sensitivity of this mic. This is the Bluetooth module HC05 model 040. This provides a communication way between the Android phone and the Arduino board. This is the vibration motor. This is the LED which indicates the circuit is turned on or turned off. This is the resistor for the backlight LCD, because the backlight of the LCD works on 3 to 3.5 volts, and the voltage coming from the whole circuit is 5 volts. So we have to reduce the voltage flow to protect the backlight of the LCD from getting burned. This is the capacitor which uses to stable the current flow in the circuit. This is a 3 volt voltage regulator, and this is a diode. 3 terminals in an opposite way. This diode actually works as a forward bias. Our first feature is when it senses the human voice, it needs to vibrate. Let's plug our USB cable to the USB port, as we are not connected to the battery right now. As I connected to the USB port, the LED turned on, the vibration motor vibrates indicating that the circuit is turned on, and the LCD backlight is also turned on indicating that the circuit is now in a working condition. The first feature is when it senses a voice, it needs to vibrate. As I lower the sensitivity, I need to speak hard into this mic to trigger this vibration motor. Let's suppose I say something into its mic. Hello. It vibrates. Excuse me. This vibrates. The vibration motor alerts the deaf and hard to listen people that someone is trying to communicate. Now the other feature is speech to text conversion, which is followed by our Android application. Let's open the application. Now the Bluetooth is already on in this smartphone. The first thing we have to do is to pair the Bluetooth of the cell phone to the Bluetooth of the Arduino board, which I already paired. So now the first thing we have to do is to tap on the paired devices. It shows HC05 is a paired device. HC05 is now connected. The second thing we have to do is to establish the connection between this Bluetooth module and our Android mobile. Tap on connection. It says opening Bluetooth connection and ready to send data. Now we are ready to speak into this phone to convert our speech into a text form, which is transmitted to the Arduino and display the message on the device LCD, which we are going to wear on our wrist in future when the project is completed. Let's suppose I say something into it. Hello. I said hello and I tap on send, and the message is now printed on the LCD. Let's suppose I need to ask something. What is your name? It says what is your name, and tap on send, and the message is now printed on the device LCD. So we developed 2 features right now out of 4 in our first evaluation, and this is our project. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.